We always eating something, and today we have these animal crackers. Hey y'all, it's your girl Mina Licious back with a delicious video. Y'all already know today is the day where we create another look. This is the look that I am creating today. You see this? Yes, sis, yes. Before we get in any further, I just want to thank y'all for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for the people who are supporting me. This is like a nice ombre look. On this look, I have used the James Charles mini palette. I love this palette. It has all these different, colors. It's really nice. You see me. So if you want to know how I have created this look, stay tuned and keep watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Before I start with anything, I'm gonna go in with this primer. Prime my face with this. Okay, we're gonna go in with the Super Stay Maybelline Full Coverage Foundation. We're just gonna go ahead and take the sponge brush and we're just gonna dab all that foundation in my face. We're gonna go in with this Anastasia Dipbrow. I'm just combing out my eyebrows, looking nice and shape. Going in with this angled brush, we're just gonna go ahead and dip it in. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera and I'm gonna be back. So we have already done my eyebrows. Next we are just gonna use the concealer. We're going in with the shade Canvas here. It's gonna follow it underneath my eyebrow bones, just like this. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that the same to the other eye. Next, I'm using the exact same brush. I'm just gonna use the shade B. It's this bright yellow color. And I'm just gonna use it on my crease. So I'm gonna start like in the middle of my crease and I'm just gonna blend outwards, just like this. I'm just gonna go in with this hot pink. I'm gonna go in with the hot pink that is called Skip, and I'm just gonna put it right underneath the yellow. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same to this eye. I'm gonna do that to the same, but I'm just putting it right under my eye crease. Next, I'm just gonna go in with this shade right here, this pumpkin-y orange shade. It's called 518, so I'm just gonna go in with this like orange shade, and I'm just gonna like kind of just blending it in with the rest to get this color. I'm doing this to create like a ombre look, to make it look more nice. I'm just gonna go in more with that B color, the yellow color. I'm just gonna put more up here, just above the crease. my pink to pop a little bit more, so I'm just gonna go in with this e.l.f. eye crease brush, and I'm just lightly going to pack that pink color that we were using earlier on my outer corner, like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the same to this one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this in with the rest of the colors. Now I'm just gonna go in with the shade Artistry right here. It's called Artistry. And I'm just gonna like put it like in the middle of my eyes. So just like this. What you wanna do is press that in. Just like this. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same thing to this eyelids, and I'm gonna make it look just as much as this one. We're gonna do that. Now what I didn't do is go all the way. I just went halfway with it, just like this. That way you can see all the other colors that I blended in. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush off the dust. So today we got these animal crackers, animal cookie. They're iced, like I'm iced, diced. That's not. Okay, but yeah. Okay. So next I'm just gonna go in with this Mega Plush mascara, and I'm just gonna get my eyelashes. I'm just gonna go in now, and I'm gonna put my eyelashes on. I'm just taking eyeliner. I'm just putting that on my top of my eyelashes. I'm just gonna go in with this NYX concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose. I love to contour my nose. I'm just gonna use this spoon brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my nose. Just gonna go ahead and highlight my nose and my cheekbone. I'm using this fan brush to, you know, fan these cheeks out just like this. Yes, sis. Yes. Okay, my final and last step is gonna be my lips. We are gonna line my lips up with like a dark lip liner, and we're gonna make it glossy. That's how I'm feeling. So yes, I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips up. Like this, yes or no? Should we leave it like this? Should we leave my lips like this? Should we? No we shouldn't. So I'm just going in with this lip gloss. This is the finished look, y'all. I just want to say thank you for all the people who are supporting me. Y'all are the best, okay? So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click on that bell. You can get notified every time I post. Click the bell button. Thank you once again for watching. Thank you, thank you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you are new to my channel, it's Mina Licious back with a delicious video. Let's dig in. You already know. Thank you for watching. Tune in next time for another video.